So here's my, well, as far as you guys are concerned, newest vacuum find. I actually picked this up about a month ago from eBay. This is a Royal Model 882. And here is the information. There's a serial number. I believe it's a 1994. But for those of you that care about this, there you go. Overall, this machine's in very good condition. I really like these older Royals, and this one has the better brush roll in my opinion. It's got the bristles on both sides, as opposed to on the one before this, they just had the bristles on one side and then the opposite side on the other side. So those were kind of a pain to deal with. The only thing that was wrong with this, and including shipping, I paid under $40 for this machine. But the only thing that was wrong with it was the bottom sole plate here was not included. So I did have to source that from Amazon. I believe I bought it off Amazon. But you can see it's brand new. I did put a new belt in it. And this one does not have a headlight, unfortunately. Well, I guess it's not really that big of a deal, but as you guys can see, it's got a brand new belt on it. And I think I put a new bag in it too. I don't remember if it came with one or not, but I like the outer bag color on this. And other than having a couple blemishes here and there, like that little bit of a rip, it's actually in pretty good condition. So I'll go ahead and show you guys the inside. And I do like this model a little, or this version a little bit better. I'm not sure if the tube here, I guess it is on the correct way. Could be wrong, but I think it is on the correct way. Just kind of weird because usually these are flipped around on other vacuums. So it does have a new bag in it. I did install that. Type B bags. I like this version a little bit better than the Type A version. This is the Adjust-O-Matic is what they call it. And I don't really care for this design. I like being able to dial it in easier like I can with my 880. That one's a lot easier to adjust. But this one, the cord's in pretty good condition. One thing that I do like about this one, as opposed to my 880, is I can, just turn the cord hook and take the whole cord off. On my 880, you have to undo it, basically one hook at a time. It's got a hook like this at the top. So it's kind of a pain, but other than that, this one does beat it in that regard. So let's go ahead and turn it on and show you guys how she runs.